Good morning, guys. What's up? It's not morning when you're gonna watch this, so forget that. I apologize for looking ashy today. It's just like this weird white ghostly look that's going on and I'm just not feeling it. I hope you guys are having a great day. You can see from the title what's gonna go down. We're gonna do a little get ready with me and I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair the next day, how I refresh my hair. And yeah, let's just hang out. Okay, so first things first, honestly, let me just show you this. So my hair is now long enough to put into elastic bands, like to do the elastic band method to stretch it out. Oh my goodness, this is so embarrassing. Why am I on the internet like this? This is what I did. I just took one elastic and I tied it at the roots. You can try to force like two and really stretch it out, but I could not be bothered. I guess I should have done that to make it even longer, but it's fine. I think this will give it enough of a stretch. So after I'm done my makeup, I'm gonna take all that out and shape my hair. But first things first, let's moisturize because girl, this is not cute. I'm using my Olay moisturizer. I'll put a picture so you guys can see. It's an anti-aging moisturizer that my mom gave me actually. She said she didn't like it, but I love it. So, oh my God, yeah, I actually look white because of it. Yeah, it's just because of the sunscreen. This new year has been amazing and I'm just planning and working towards stuff that I'll talk more about later. So first thing I'm gonna do is start with my MAC Next to Nothing foundation. It's literally next to nothing. It's literally some tinted oil face grease. I like to use quite a bit so I can actually get some color out of it. Do you guys see what I mean? There isn't much color, but I look refreshed and glowy. Like, it looks so good. How is your guys' new year going? How is everything going with you? Have you made New Year's resolutions? Is that a thing for you? Or are you more of a go with the flow type of person? Personally, this New Year's, I did not even acknowledge it. I'll be real. It did not feel like New Year's to me, but I did do small, like, I guess, rebooting, but it just wasn't as dramatic of a New Year's as it usually is for me. I'm trying to make sure that doesn't turn into not setting new goals for myself. I'm definitely setting new goals, setting new fitness goals, new skincare goals. Like, I'm just trying to be better, be my best self all the time. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you go do that. I'll put it right here so you guys can check it out. And today I'm actually gonna go meet up with a friend. We're gonna set more goals for the new year. And also I'm gonna work on a vision board, my new vision board. I'm just gonna work on putting pictures together. And yeah, and today is really my like back to work day for like acting stuff. Offices are open and people are back to work, so I'm going back to work. which is great. I'm definitely not complaining. I'm very happy about what I'm, what I get to do. I just went ahead and did a few things off camera. I just did some concealer, that was it. And I used my MAC concealer palette in medium deep, and I just, made myself come together. Now I'm just going in with my MAC powder and really smoothing things out. You know what? This year, I genuinely just want to be more like outspoken because I don't know, like I'm a weirdly like outgoing person, but when it comes to speaking my mind in front of people or sharing unpopular opinions, I just don't like to because I like to mind my business. I really like to mind my business. I'm not somebody who will come and talk about something that's very controversial. Like, I really like to keep that stuff hush hush, And I'm not saying I'm gonna become more problematic this year, but I will go out of my way to, I guess, talk about stuff that might be more difficult to talk about, or just be more open and share stuff. Okay, so this situation, wow. My forehead is actually quite large. So I'm taking my kaleidoscope edges. That's the first thing I do because I need this to be a little bit more together. Honestly though, my edges need to begin to respect me a little bit more because this isn't it. You know what though? I've never really had amazing edges. Like, I was not blessed with, Before I take out my hair, I'm gonna add some Miracle Drops. You guys, I always mention that I use this. I'm gonna take a squeeze. And I'm just gonna put it in the parts that my scalp are. I'm just massaging it in wherever I can. Okay, so yeah, I did this wash and go just yesterday. So I did it with gel. and then I added a little bit of oil. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this out of these ponytails. I'm not gonna put anything in it just yet. Okay, so first thing, obviously I need to fluff this out because this is not the look. I'm gonna use my pick to go through and kind of blend the lines. I can't be having those parts in my hair. If you saw my hair before I cut it, you guys know that I always use bobby pins to kind of shape my afro. So that's what I'm gonna do today. So I'm gonna take a bobby pin and I'm basically going to pull my hair forward and I'm going to pin right here so I can have it sit where I want it to sit. Just like that. So I'm just gonna take my spray bottle and spray this little piece right here. So I'm just taking a bit of Eco Styler and I'm rubbing it through, just that one piece, and letting it curl back up. And I'm not wetting my hair at all because I don't want it to shrink up just right after I spent all that time stretching it out. Luckily, I actually don't have anything I need to touch up, but if I have anything to touch up, you guys saw what I just did. I just take some water and some Eco Styler and I finger coil them together, and there's nothing else. All my ends still look really great, so I'm happy about that. If you live in Toronto and you're looking for a great juice subscription, Ada Blooms, I will put their thing right here so you guys can check it out. As the year goes on, I'm trying to slowly just upgrade my life, so comment down below what you guys are doing. What are your goals for the new year and what you guys want to accomplish, and when you wake up in the morning, what is it that you're like, man, I really need to get that done? Is it, you know, hitting the gym, eating better, getting that new position at work? You know, just every time, like, I feel like when you wake up, everybody has that one thing on their mind that you're like, I need to work on that. I really need to work on that. I think I'm gonna just start pranking my friends and posting videos for the fun of it. I know prank videos can be a little like cheesy and whatever. I enjoy watching them, real or fake. If I'm gonna do them, they're gonna be real. I don't need to depend on anybody's acting skills to act surprised. People always say they're all fake and stuff, and I'm like, but it's still so entertaining. I don't know what's real and what's fake. I guess they're all fake. I don't know, but I still watch them. Everybody says, oh, they're all fake, but we all still watch them. I don't ever exit off of them because it really entertains me. That's the kind of stuff I watch. This was a bad idea. What is this random pale lipstick with no lip liner? Like, I don't know if I'm going for a little boy look or auntie look. I apologize that this wasn't a conventional tutorial on how to actually do your hair the same way I usually would do, like sit down and just do that. But there really isn't much to it, so I thought I would do it and get ready with me and then we could talk a little bit. But make sure you interact, comment down below in the comment section of this video and let me know what you guys are up to. I love actually having conversations with people in the comments and having you guys follow me on Instagram, and I get to see like who's behind, like on the other side, because sometimes when I post stuff, I like forget that people are watching it. It's really like amazing to see actual faces of people who are actually watching these videos. I'm like, it's so weird. So follow me on Instagram so I can actually like get to know you guys and see you guys, like see where, I know it sounds creepy, but like, you know, see where you guys live, where you're from. I don't know, it's cool. Like, it's just cool to see the other side of what's happening on this video after I post it. Do you know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Comment, let me know what your New Year's resolutions are, what your New Year's goals are, and what you're working on. I'm just working on myself and getting my life to the next level. I'm gonna go because I need to get stuff done. Hope you have a productive, amazing day. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.